Monday morning. I took yesterday as a break, went and spent some time with my friend and her family. Haven't seen her in quite a while. So today's agenda, I need to do some yard work. And then I also have to run a couple errands, which we're going to go do here shortly. I got to go to Home Depot. Unfortunately, the toilet in the spare bathroom is not flushing, so I need to replace the flush lever, I think is what my brother told me. So, more house repairs. So we're going to run up there, get that part. I also kind of want to look a little bit in the garden center. I don't plan on doing that kind of yard work yet, like planting flowers in the pot or mulching. I need to put some mulch out. But I just want to look. So we're going to leave here in a little bit. It's almost 8:30. I think I'm going to take the dog out and then run up there to get those parts. And on the way back, I need to swing into Food Lion to get some sour cream for dinner. Because I didn't realize I needed some for another recipe yesterday and I'm almost out. The rest of it's just like laundry, gather trash to go out to the curb, a little tiny bit of meal prep. So I don't know exactly how much of what I'm putting in this vlog today, but definitely some mowing the yard, a little bit of yard cleanup, and then for sure fixing the toilet. So we'll head out here shortly.
I'm outside looking in, the locks are all different. It happened on a whim, and now I'm wondering if I can now begin the life I've been missing. Lost your head, I can't believe another word you've said. Let's just promise not to leave this dead. I can't lie, but I can't help you see. I can't afford your rent, it's too heavy. The room inside my head is too costly. You take it.
Okay, I got the toilet piece, less than I was anticipating, so that's wonderful. They didn't have any fresh, like, plants of snapdragons, so I bought some seeds. I'm gonna try and get those planted while we're outside doing yard work, so they have some time to grow and blossom. And I did also get some seeds for dill, which we're gonna try and plant in a pot. I've been saying every year I want to plant dill, but the plants are always gone. So we're going to try it from seeds. Because I love using fresh dill in the summer. So, but we're going to head over to Food Lion. I just got to grab, like I said, sour cream. So I'm probably not going to film, but I will check in with you when we get back to the house and start on the toilet repair. Let's see if we can fix this toilet. I hope I don't need any tools. All right, I'm back. I went and got pliers. Let's see if I can get this to budge. It's just a tricky.
Then I'll take the key. I know you love it, but I disagree. The cage I was locked in, a whole lot like prison. It left me in despair. And now I'm wondering if I can now begin the life I've been missing.
Guess what? She fixed it. Mighty woman did it myself. Well, that feels good to know I got that done on my own without asking for anyone to come help me. I don't know if you ever get a sense of accomplishment from trying to figure something out and actually solving yourself. I feel like home repairs and stuff are like an endless cycle of that. Sorry, just opening everything back up since I left the dog for a little while. I'm gonna chill for just a little bit. And then we're gonna go outside and start on the yard stuff. I'm tired, but we're gonna do it. All right, I've been working over here. I was on the phone with my mom, so just trimming this up a little bit and then trying to cut what I could out of here. These are too big. I'm gonna have to use a regular saw on these spots. So we're gonna get the cutting done first, and then we're gonna work on cleaning this pot out, and I'm gonna plant seeds in this stuff so they can start growing.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to.
All right, I think the last pile I'm gonna take out after I empty this pot of weeds and stuff. And that way I can take it all to the curb at once.
There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head through open windows. Cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain. Maybe you can do the same thing. You want me to?
Well, didn't do that right, did I?
Say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic.
I'm gonna take a break. And then we're gonna mow well, I'm going to mow the front yard. And then when I go to Weedy, I will bring you on with me. Mowing the front yard, I just don't like filming. The backyard, yep, I'll go right ahead.
Long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we should talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long without it, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens, we'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens.
Whew, doggy, I'm tired. I need water. Okay, so I'm done with that. I'm gonna go shower so I can start some laundry and make some lunch because it's almost 1 o'clock and I need to eat.
I know that in this gate, you're around. I know that in this gate, breathe. I know that in this gate, you're around. I know that
So I prepped some really tiny ones for my breakfast and then bigger ones for dinner tomorrow night, which I'll make. I just figured while I was cutting it, I might as well chop that up. But that's the meal prep I'm taking care of today. I think I'm just gonna wrap this vlog up here. I'm just exhausted. Mowing and the yard work kind of took a lot out of me, and I don't honestly plan on doing anything tonight other than chilling and giving my body a break because it hurts. So, not super eventful, but we did fix the toilet and we did get the yard cleaned up. So I hope you enjoyed, and as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.